Start learning a little bit of Lao. The first thing we gotta start off with the curse words. When cursing in Lao, there's going to be a male way to say it, and there's going to be a female way to say it. Buk hani. Then we got ihani. And that's gonna mean this fucking bitch or dude. The Lao culture puts a lot of emphasis on their curse words. So if you're driving down the street and some asshole cuts you off, you just go ahead and you'll be like, Bakani! Bukkilai. Ikilai. That girl or dude is ugly, depending on who's using it. You hear some Laotian girls talking, then one of them might be like, oh, I saw your ex-boyfriend. I saw him with his new girlfriend. Then the ex-girlfriend might be like, I saw her already. Iki lie. Masi me mung, which means your mom fucked a dog or son of a bitch. Either one. It can be interchangeable. And we have bak mung min. Your breath stinks. And last but not least, my favorite, hila butt, which means your pussy exploded. And as you can see, I'm not really much of an artist.